For centuries, rosemary has been more than a herb. It has been a ritual, a quiet luxury passed through generations. Rosemary oil is known to stimulate circulation to the scalp, encouraging stronger, healthier hair growth. It helps reduce breakage, supports thickness, and restores balance to dry or irritated scalps. This is nourishment at the root, where beauty truly begins. Dilution is essential. Never apply pure essential oil directly to the scalp. Dilute with carrier oils like jojoba or castor oil. For the skin, rosemary oil offers antioxidant protection, helping to defend against environmental stress. Its natural properties support clarity, tone, and a radiant, healthy glow. A few drops, blended gently, becomes a moment of restoration. When prepared properly, rosemary may also be enjoyed as a tea or infusion, traditionally used to support digestion, memory, and circulation. Always consumed in moderation and with intention. True wellness is never rushed. Rosemary oil is not a trend. It is a return to simplicity, to care, to rituals that honor the body. Subscribe for more botanical rituals and mindful beauty.